Hello guys, what's up? So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Monday.com with Slack. So let's get started. First, go to Zapier. It is an automation platform that connects applications to streamline workflows without the need for coding. So click on Create over here, Zaps. Then we will have Trigger and Action. First, we will select Trigger and we will look for Slack. Click that, complete the trigger event, connect your Slack account, sign in, and just type in your credentials and confirm. Next, you would want to go and do the test and then hit OK. Now, for the action portion, number two, you're going to select Monday. Select Monday, complete action event, sign in, connect monday.com. You're going to need your API token. Paste it over here. Yes, continue, hit that button, and then you're done. You have successfully integrated monday.com with Slack. Quick and easy, right? I hope you found this video very helpful.